Hey gamers, centaurianmudpig back here, coming at you with another building guide video, or shall we say unboxing at this point. So what do we have? We have our Seagate 2 terabyte, yes, 2 terabyte hard drive, 2000 gigabytes. That could stay in the packaging because hard drives aren't that special to look at. What I've not looked at before is this Samsung SSD 850 EVO. So let's check out this slimline technology that goes into these products, you know. Ooh, wow, look at that, isn't that pretty? Wow, that is small, look at that size, amazing. Okay, yeah, that's about it. So what do we get else in the box? Anything? No, apart from probably on the other side, yeah, solid state drive, installation guide, warranty statement, etc, etc. Wow, Samsung disk that we can use to install software, because that's why we got stuff to install software. Brilliant. Alright, even shorter video than the last one. Well, maybe I should throw something else in there. Yeah, peace out. Bye bye.